Here we are again at the Design in the Age of Experience event. I'm right now in the playground and there are so many exciting experiences illustrating our Design for Life topic. Let me show you.
What you see here is the virtual representation of this vehicle. And as you know, the transportation and mobility industry is really living a shift at the moment. So basically what you see is the physical mock-up. We put inside all the simulation that has been done into the 3D experience platform so that we can better visualize what will be the impact of this new moving system on the physical world.
Let's now move to another exciting experience with Patricia.
Well, we're presenting Home by Me, free online service which allows you to design your house in 3D very easily. You can do your project at home, in your sofa, and after visit it with VR.
Well, let's now go to try on some new pair of shoes. Come on.
So what you're seeing here is what we believe to be the future of footwear. So imagine if you were standing all day, you want something that's a little bit more cushioned. So we can actually develop that. And so where we work together with Dassault Systèmes is that we've built our wearable sensor suite plus our scanner technology. And then this one set of data from one person is sent to the cloud solution CATIA. What happens is CATIA automates this, automatically generates one solution for that person, which then we print in the store for you.
Amazing, thanks for your time.
Yeah, thanks so much for being here.
Well, now let's go to our final stop with Guillaume.
Hi.
So what are we seeing here?
Here we are showcasing some innovative solutions for territories and cities. The city, in fact, is an ecosystem. You have the city itself, then you have the construction companies, the academics. Inside the platform, we will connect all the stakeholders of the city and have them work together.
Thank you very much, Guillaume. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the different experiences and feel free to swing by Super Studio to try them out. And don't forget, join the conversation on the hashtag Design for Life.